Guys, thank you for having me in your amazing, award-winning bathroom. I'm going to ask you what areas you saved on and what areas you splurged on.
Because it's such a long bathroom, it needed something that was quite a feature. We wanted to keep a lot of natural lights. We had this Velux going in already, and our splurge was actually getting that curve in the ceiling, the detail, the plastering. And our other splurge was our Kit Kat tiles. Just went into the shower just as the feature like that with the stone reveal.
They're so beautiful, and I think it really heroes the colour when you see it in that area of the bathroom. But I think also that plastering is just incredible, and I feel like it sort of creates that element of being in like a 5-star hotel.
Oh, to watch it go in, 5 or 6 plasterers, bending sheets and getting it to work.
Just to get the
was
shape.
Incredible to watch.
Now when it comes to saving, because we know that when it comes to bathrooms, they can be really pricey areas when it comes to renovating them. What was something that you saved on in this space?
We saved in this bathroom with the large format tiles. They're quicker to lay, you're not getting as many, so that was sort of the thought behind that. And we didn't go floor to ceiling around. We went a panelling on the wall, so the tiles were just on the floor and in the shower, and that's how we cut back
So
on that
smart,
cost
and they're easier to clean and maintain because you've got less grouting and less detail as well. So
Yeah.
I think that's a win-win. It's 2 birds with 1 stone.